First of all, I would love to convey my cordial and heartiest wishes to the director, sir, to the chief guest, respected Well, my name is Mehtab Alam, and I would love to begin in the name of the Almighty, who is the most merciful and beneficent. This is a wonderful time. We are all together over here, and there's a particular reason for that. What is that particular reason? The reason is we have to appreciate the students who have already given and done a great job in their career and who have made it really beautiful and majestic. If I am not mistaken and wrong, I have a lot of words to say. But today I have to talk about one of the most important things, that is education. In my words, in my opinion, first of all, I would love to say one thing about one of the greatest motivational speakers and one of the greatest educationists from India, from our motherland. Mr. Awadh Ojha sir is with us today, and it is an incredible and amazing moment. I have a lot of words to say about Ojha sir, but just before that, I just want to talk about some of the very important things over here. What is the importance of education? What is the importance of education? We have to talk about it. Let me talk about my flashback. When I was studying, I'm not going to talk about any motivational speaker. I'm not going to talk about any trainer. I'm not going to talk about any mentor. I'm not going to talk about any inspirational coach. Right now I'm here and I'm just going to talk about myself, my flashback. Hereabouts I can see the bulk of people over here. And this looks amazing and wonderful. It is like a gala day. It's a wonderful time. We are all together and we are going to have a talk with the people. I'm just going to talk about my flashback. When I was studying, I was very weak at my studies. I was not able to frame even a single sentence in English. And today, the person who is addressing you, he is known as Mehtab Alam. Right now, I'm just going to talk about what happened to me exactly. When I was studying at Pandit Deen Dayal Central High School or Intermediate College, at the time I had great phobia and I was in the most panicking situation. I was not able to do the work, sincerely, properly and honestly. One brainwave came to my mind, and that changed my life entirely and totally. When I was studying at Pandit Deen Dayal, I was beaten and given punishment all the time. There was a day when the interview was going on, and I was the person who was taking the class through computer. One of my buddies, one of my friends, she told me that, Mehtab, if you have guts, why don't you go for the interview? And I had that interview. There were more than 36 students and candidates. I was shortlisted in that interview. So the student who failed in class 10th one time, the person is addressing you right now. And thereafter I changed myself, I changed my track, and I came to know this is not the right way where I'm going. I have to change my track if I have to do something great over here. And that's why I went to Bangalore. I learned a lot of things over there, and I got back to my place. I started working in academic sectors, and now it's been more than 10 years' time. I do not want to talk about the dead horse all the time. What I'm talking about, I'm just giving you some information about the motivational speakers, motivational trainers, and motivational coaches over here. You are yourself a motivation. When you are having problems in your life, when your life is pathetic, and at the time when you bounce back, that will be your greatest motivation, and you can stand firm like a rock. Let me talk about something more about this institution and about the importance and significance of education. What is education and what is the importance or significance of education? If we are well educated, we can have very good communication, we can have very good conversation, we can be very good human being, we can be polite, we can be punctual, and we have to go with the team lead and all those things. That's why education is the most important thing. Now here, I would love to take an example. Motivation, education is the most powerful weapon by which we can change the entire world. Here, I just want to take another example. That is, education is the motivation from darkness to brightness. And that is why we have to educate every person. Let me talk about one more example over here. That example is from my village. When I was putting up over there, I found one of my friends. He came to me and he was about to teach at Little Flower School. In that school, that was his desire. He was hankering for, he was struggling for his life, and it was not very possible.